Hi, I'm Dr. Gopal Iyengar, 71 years old. I am an academician by craft and a humanist in essence. I'm placing before you this video with my proposal for celebrating humanity because I'm deeply agitated by what I see happening around me, be it in the form of migrants or the communal jingoism that we see on media or the non-human centric actions and policies of our government. Initially, I will place before you my understanding of what is humanity, what is religious manifestation, and what is celebration. And thereafter, I will lay before you my proposal of how humanity can be celebrated. For me, humanity is the oneness of human beings, the commonality that is there amongst all of us. The alternate, according to me, of humanity is bigotry, which is imposing your own beliefs and values on someone else by force and without a choice being offered. And the worst form of bigotry, according to me, is religious bigotry, which has resulted in all the communal disharmony and the jingoism that we see in our public life. According to me, religion manifests in three ways. One, what we are told. Two, what we understand, and three, what we do or enact. A common man's religion is the third, what he does or enacts, even if it is shaped by the first two. And what he does results either in humanity or in bigotry. And finally, my understanding of celebration is a oneness of feeling and being amongst all humans. I know that we celebrate a lot of things in life. We celebrate birthdays, we celebrate achievements, we celebrate religious festivals, and so on. And the oneness is also seen in these celebrations. However, the caveat is that these celebrations have a boundary of a group within which the oneness is there, and there are people outside that group who are not invited into the oneness. Humanity will be all inclusive, and its celebration will be what I call as a transcendent celebration. My humanity does not deny individualism or groups. Rather, these differences are acknowledged, understood, and even appreciated, but these differences will not be allowed to destroy commonality. With this background, I now place before you my concept of celebrating humanity. Let's first start by asking, what is it that we should celebrate? Anything that can have a commonality amongst human beings. It can be something quite mundane like food, or a little higher like arts or the seasons. Or we can go even higher to celebrating social justice and peace. According to me, the path to the highest level is by starting from the lowest level till we bind and bond ourselves in humanity. Secondly, it is a celebration of, by, and for the common man. There has to be a common understanding of the celebration for it to be successful. Definitely, there may be a convener or a person who coordinates, but this is actually only a role. It is not a post, and no power comes with it. Humanity does not need any leaders. The third is that even the themes of humanity may have a possibility of divisiveness. Let me illustrate it with the example of food. Food itself has a lot of divisive components. If you were to think of religion, if you were to think of it as practices, if you were to think of it as region, if you were to think of it as health. In our celebration of humanity, we will not deny any of these. Like I said before, we will surely appreciate it, we will accommodate it, but we will not let it destroy humanity. The size of each celebration must be kept such that every member knows every other member well. I know it is difficult, but it will be fantastic if this were to happen. For humanity to flourish, it is essential for us to get to know humans, and there is no point in saying hi and walking by. We can use other mechanisms of meetings, groups, WhatsApp, social media, etc., for knowing before we get into the celebration. There is no central funding for celebrating humanity. It is a crowdfunding by the participants, and therefore the size is left to the locality or the group that is celebrating. Now, an important thing is that each celebration must be documented in detail and must be disseminated widely so that people can know that there is scope for humanity and humanity is alive and kicking. In a subsequent video, I will detail the plans of how to action this concept. But in this video, my request to you is to kindly share with me your thoughts on the concept. I do have a humble request also. Please do not share saying it is not possible. For those who are interested, I am willing to clarify as many points and as many times as needed in order to say yes, it is possible. Together हम ज़रूर होंगे कामयाब. जय हिंद, जय ह्यूमैनिटी.